Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are, my YouTube family, and you're welcome to Laprinzo Wealth Academy. My name is Prince Ikilowe, and in this channel, I talk about trading, how you can become a professional forex trader, how you can trade boom and crash, volatility indices, anything about trading, all right, and also in crypto investing. So, guys, in this video, we're going to talk about USD, gold, SAUUSD. For those of you who are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel because this channel will talk beyond just trading. We'll talk about mindset development, how to program your mind for success because the trading skills, the anything I talk about skills, all the skill set I talk about here, the trading ideas I present here, if you don't have the right mindset, you don't have the right character, you don't have the right habit, nothing will work in your life. So in this academy, in this channel, we'll talk about mindset development, how you can program your mind for success. I believe wherever you're listening to me today or tonight, you have greatness in you, you have wealth, unlimited potential dormant in you. But you have to develop yourself intentionally. So that's for another day, right? Today, for the fact that you're watching this video, it means that you are ready to learn because learners are what? Leaders. Eric Offer said something. Eric Offer said, in times of changes, he said, learners will inherit the earth, while the learned will be beautifully equipped with the world that no longer exists. So watch the video to the end. Perhaps you learn something to already what you already know. So all right, so let's get started. Now the topic is how you can analyze gold, how to analyze gold in conjunction with DSY, all right? In conjunction with DSY. DSY is dollar cost index, all right? This is dollar cost index. Uh, I say dollar currency index, US dollar currency index. So I'm going to remove all these charts. All right. So I'm going to show you how to analyze gold, how to trade gold without indicators. In this channel, we don't use indicators to trade. So first of all, you need to understand the market structure. First of all, you need to understand the market structure on gold. How I trade, I told you if you have been watching my videos on YouTube, I don't trade with indicators and I usually start with the monthly time frame. All right. Now, this is the monthly time frame. What am I doing with the monthly time frame? I'm trying to see the structure of this market. What is this market? Is it an uptrend or is it a downtrend? So with this monthly structure rather, I'm going to, you know, bring out or identify the I call this major reversal zones. Major reversal zones. So I'm going to use this tool to identify these zones. All right. How do I know that that place is a major reversal zone? I'm going to use horizontal line as well. If you put your horizontal line here, all right. If you go down all the way here, if you go down the way here, if I stretch it down, okay, let me go back to history because market is all about history, right? So if you move your cursor to the right, to the left rather, to the left, okay, gold has been on a very strong uptrend for a very long time, right? So this is a very strong zone, all right? So we take our next one is here. Now you're going to compare this or you're going to add the two, the chart of dollar cost, dollar index. So gold has been on this place. All right, gold, this is the place, right? This is the two strong zone that, gold is ranging between for the past few months. So I'm going to go down now to the daily weekly time frame. Even on the weekly time frame, you can clearly see that this place is a clear zone for gold. is a clear reversal zone. So zones are very, very, very important. Zones are very, very, very important. Now, let me also take you to this chart. If you are new, this is trading view. You can use trading view to analyze this market. If you look at this market now, this is dollar currency index. So if you are trading any currency pair that has to do with USD, you want to use this dollar currency index, all right, to analyze. Because if you see that like this, like why the reason why almost all the pairs that has to do with dollar has been going downward is because the dollar is going up. All right, so let's go back to monthly time frame. So you want to take advantage of this chart to analyze or your gold or a currency pair that has to do with um, gold, right? So clearly you can see that gold, I mean US dollar has been on an uptrend, all right? Based on the monthly time frame, it got to that point, and this is our zone, very clear zone. So we're going to go back to weekly time frame to analyze this market all the way to daily time frame. Then we'll make our trading decisions based on this dollar um, index. So here also is a zone. So how do you know that it's a zone? You can even plug your horizontal line. All right. If you plug horizontal line here, you go back to the left. You go back to the left. The left in the past, this is 2015, it held. December 2015, it held. All right. This is October 2019, it held. So this is a strong zone. January 2020, it held. So it's a strong zone that we have identified. Look at it here. It held. It held, meaning the price got to that point and it got rejected. So investors putting in money, they are not using 1 hour time frame to analyze the market. They use monthly to know these turning points, and then they make their decision based on this. And they also use Fibonacci retracement and other tools, trend lines. Those are the things I personally use, and I will encourage you to use. So clearly, you can see that the market is on an uptrend. All right, this is weekly time frame. You can see that clearly dollar index, dollar currency index is on an uptrend. So any currency pair that has to do with USD dollar is going to be going up if the US dollar is the base currency. All right. If you don't know what is base currency is basically the one that, like now, this gold, for is gold is the base currency. So gold will be going down because what? Why? The US dollar is strong. Let me also show you another currency that has to do with US dollar. Okay, let's see. Let's try USD. Let's try USD. Oh, okay, let's try USD JPY. No, USD JPY. Yeah, let's try USD JPY. Right, you can see clearly that the chart of USD JPY is almost like that of the chart of the dollar currency index. Right, it's clearly an uptrend. So you want to take advantage of this one if you're trading gold. Now, if I go to this one, because US is the base currency, but let's also see. Okay, let me even bring it down to daily time frame. Right, even on the daily time frame, you can see clearly that the market is on a down, is on an uptrend, and it has come to test a very strong what is called trend line. So using this tool, this dollar index, you know that the market is this market is an uptrend. So what does that mean? If you are trading gold, because gold is the base currency, it means that gold will be coming down. If you are trading the USD JPY, all right, it means that this currency will be going, this chart, the market will be going up. So you have to take advantage of the buy opportunities. Now, let's analyze gold with this market. So we have mapped out strategic points. So let me also map out another very clear, very clear zone. Let me see here. Remember, I'm using a very high time frame. This is weekly time frame. You lock it, right? Remember again that it is not a straight line, it is a zone. So let's go back again. How do I know that that place is a zone? Let's find out. It's all about history. It's saying that it is a zone, right? This is a zone. Let's even map up here. I'm going to color this red. Okay. All right. So I'm going to lock it as a clear zone. One touch, two. This is 1, 2, 3. It doesn't matter whether it is 5 years ago, 10 years ago. Zone is a zone. It doesn't matter how long. All right. So it is a zone. The market is here on a clear zone. All right. So you can use uh this tool, because remember it is not a straight line. It is not a straight line, so you don't go and draw just a straight line thinking that the market must respect that line. It is a zone. Now we have mapped out these zones with uh this this tool. Now you need to now go back to daily time frame. So let's check our daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame also shows. Let me draw trend line. Before I draw a trend line, let me go to the again dollar index. This weekly time frame, right, is on an uptrend. So let me go back to daily time frame on this one first. All right. Okay. Okay. Even daily time frame, you can see that this daily time frame looks even like the USD JPY. Why? Because dollar is the base currency. So if you see that dollar currency index is going on an uptrend, you want to be trading gold. You want to be looking for buy sell opportunities on gold. So I'm going to have this trend line here for gold. From here, you can see clearly this is clear. The market touched this trend line. Most likely it will come back to this point. Most likely, but that decision you're going to be watching. What I'm trying to explain to you that you have to put this in your analysis. Analyze the dollar index. Is dollar going? Is dollar on a bullish note? The answer is yes. Dollar is bullish. So you are not going to look out for buying opportunity for gold from now until you see that this happen. Maybe gold may do this. I mean, dollar may do this. If this market breaks down here, all right, perhaps to this trend line, come down to this zone again, test here to do this. All right, if it did not break, if you come down, sign of coming down, maybe bullish, a bearish candlestick weekly, then you know that dollar may be heading to the downside. So what do you do when you see that dollar is heading to the downside? It's very simple. You know that that means gold is going to do this. Gold is also going to do this here, meaning that gold is going to break through this zone, perhaps to this other side, this trend line rather. All right, come back, perhaps. All right, again, and then the gold will be on an uptrend. So what I'm trying to explain to you here is to use this $2 index currency chart. dollar. Now I have analyzed this market on a daily time, on a weekly time frame. So I'll go back to daily time frame, and I want to enter. If you want to enter your trade now, you look at candlestick, because this is the market is on a trend line, right? You look at candlestick patterns. Another video will come. I'll show you some candlestick pattern that you can use, but I usually use one. This one is a very confirmation. It's a good signal here. This one here is a good signal for a sell. You can put a sell stop, but because this place is a zone too, that is why you have to also be very careful. In my own opinion, you need to allow this market to either you put a sell stop here, take your profit down here, all right, or you wait for the weekly to close. This is Friday, no, Thursday. I don't know when you're watching this video. So if this weekly candlestick close bearish, as in it will give us a long tail with a small body, right? If it gives us a long tail with a small body, it's a clear indication that the price may likely come down here. So you can put your stop loss here, all right? Stop loss can be above the trend line. Let me put, then take profit. Take profit is going to be down here. Your take profit a little bit below, a little bit above, not on the zone, but a little bit above. That's here. Yeah. So if it breaks through this zone, that's fine, but it has to do a retest before you think about buying this market. All right. If it has to do this, if it breaks, it has to do this before it will come like it. It doesn't just go straight down like that. Okay. So always use this tool. I've been using this thing for a very long time, for years now. It works based on the fact that the market is bullish here. So anything that has to do with USD, that especially gold, that some of you may be trading gold. If you are trading gold right now and you're seeing that this dollar index is still bullish, don't be in a hurry to think that gold is going to be on an uptrend. Gold is still a bearish market, it's still a downtrend. So you put this, you combine this analysis, you even bring it down to daily time frame, you are seeing clearly that oh, this market is still, US dollar is still bullish. So if you are trading Euro USD, you know that Euro USD will still be on a downtrend because of what? The US dollar, based on daily and weekly and even monthly. Remember, I am not using 4 hours to analyze this market. I can only use 4 hours perhaps to jump on board, but I am using a higher time frame. Some of you may be using 1 hour, 2 hours to be knowing a downtrend. No, use weekly. Start from monthly. You can see how I did it. I started from monthly, mapping out zones, strategic turning points. But if you're using 4 hours, maybe just to know minor zone, yes, you can use 4 hours to also check minor zones. But overall trend of the market, use daily time, weekly time frame, and start from the monthly to see the structure of the market. But sometimes 4 hours may just give you, like now, this is a minor zone, right? This is a minor zone, and you can see minor zone from a 4 hours time frame. Area is a minor zone. So guys, I hope this video helps you to know how to trade gold. You can see how with this analysis, it is not easy, it is not difficult to trade. It is very easy. Once you understand the market structure, you can literally use this tool to see the market structure of gold, of US dollar, as you're trading the US dollar, and then you go back to your chart and analyze the market based on the fact that you have seen a very strong movement or a down movement of the US dollar. So always use this tool to analyze the market. All right. So once again, I want to thank you for watching, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel, share the video, like the video. Also, if you have not created an account with a broker, below this video you will see a link to create an account with my preferred broker. They are very good. Then if you have also not joined our free Telegram group, there is a link below this video. You can join our Telegram group to learn more on how to become a profitable forex trader. Bye. I'll see you next time.